Keep going! It's close! I feel it! Behold the wonder, the eternal light of the crystal cavern.
What if I told you this entire animated short film was created using just 3 images? And this is just a short version. If you watch the full video, I shared the full version at the end. In this video, I'll show you how I create full animated stories using 3 images with a tool called Movieflow. Specifically, I'll be using a feature called Alchemix, which lets you combine multiple visual assets into one cohesive animated film. Let's get started. So we're making a 2-minute animated mystery film called the Starlight Path, using a workflow that mixes 3 ingredients into one cinematic story. And yes, we're using 3 images and a prompt to build the whole movie. Alright, here's the concept. Boy hunting treasure in a mystery forest. I'm creating 3 strong assets first, a character, a scene, and a prop. And then I'll combine them using Movieflow's Alchemix workflow. So, I have created the 3 images using Nano Banana Pro. Our first asset is the boy. This is our main character. I designed him to stand out immediately against a dark environment. Here's the prompt I used in Nano Banana Pro. The yellow raincoat is intentional. Once this image is generated, I save it as the boy. And I'll explain why naming your images is necessary. Next is the environment. Instead of a generic forest, I wanted something that feels alive, mysterious, glowing, and cinematic. This gives us depth, color contrast, and atmosphere that reacts well to motion. I save this as the forest. Every story needs a driver, something that pushes the plot forward. For this film, that's the compass. This prop is important because it creates motion, it creates direction, and it gives us a reason for the chase. Now we have 3 clean ingredients: the boy, character, the forest, the compass, story driver. This is where most people mess up. They try to generate everything from text. Instead, we're giving the AI visual anchors, and that's exactly what Alchemix and Movieflow is built for. Now that our 3 assets are ready, it's time to bring them into Movieflow. Inside Movieflow, I'm going to the Alchemix feature. This is the part that changes everything. Instead of saying 1 image equals 1 video, Alchemix lets you combine multiple visual ingredients into a single cinematic story. Think of it like directing with references instead of guessing. I upload my assets one by one, and this part is important. The boy.png, the forest.png, the compass.png. Movieflow keeps track of these file names, so later, when we write the story prompt, the AI knows exactly which image to use where. This is a small detail, but it gives you way more control than a generic text prompt. Now I'm adding the story prompt. Instead of overloading it with technical language, I write it like a short film synopsis. Clear actions, clear visual beats. Here's the exact prompt I'm using. I added my overall story concept in the prompt, so AI has all the details about the story. For this film, I'm setting the duration to 2 minutes. Long enough to feel like a real short film, but short enough to stay cinematic and focused. I select the language, and once everything looks good, I hit generate. Now here's where Movieflow does something most AI tools don't. Instead of rendering immediately, Movieflow generates a full script preview first. And this preview isn't just text. It's a shot-aware script, meaning you can understand what happens in each scene, how the story flows, and where the pacing might feel off. This is where you stop guessing. So I read through this like a filmmaker, not like a prompt engineer. I'm asking, does the opening feel strong? Does the chase scene last long enough? Does the ending feel earned? I read through the script and want to adjust it a little, so I just click Add My Lines and tweak this scene. It's pretty simple. Once the change looks good, I click Apply. That's it. No regeneration, no wasted credits, just clean revisions. This alone massively reduces failure rates because you're shaping the story before it becomes video. Once I'm happy with the script, I move to the next phase, script assets. Movieflow automatically detects what it needs: characters, environments, props. Since we already uploaded our assets, it kept those same. Everything matches perfectly, no replacements needed. So I hit apply and move forward. Once the script is locked, Movieflow automatically builds a storyboard. And this isn't just a visual summary. This is a shot-by-shot plan of the entire film. Each card represents a scene beat, camera framing, action, and narrative intent. This is where AI video stops being random and starts behaving like a real production pipeline. At this point, I actually like how the storyboard looks. The shots make sense. The flow feels cinematic. So instead of over-editing here, I move forward and let Movieflow generate the clips. It takes a few minutes to generate all the scenes. Alright, the clips are generated. I'll play through a few scenes to get a feel for the pacing and flow. Overall, the atmosphere works. The lighting is consistent. The story reads clearly. But just like any rough cut, there are a few things I want to adjust.
What is that? Come, child. Your path is lit.
Now this scene is visually fine, but the dialogue isn't really necessary. So instead of fixing it later or redoing the whole film, I select this one shot and regenerate it.
I have to follow.
Now, as you can see, it's recreated. The boy should follow the compass just like I wanted. This version works better. These small changes add up, especially in longer animated stories. Okay, so here's another scene. Here, I wanted the boy to follow the compass, but compass with the light is missing. So, what I am going to do is create this scene again. On the left, I go to this Edit Shot option and click on Assets. Now, I'll choose the compass, since I want this to be in this scene, and add my edit prompt and generate. Here's the prompt. A cinematic tracking shot of the boy sprinting through the dark forest. He is chasing the compass, which flies 5 feet ahead of him in the air. The compass emits a brilliant golden beam that illuminates the path forward. The boy runs with determination, following the floating artifact instead of holding a flashlight. Okay, so this is good because now both assets are in the shot. And this is why I like Movieflow, because it gives you full control to edit each shot individually without messing the entire video, and add your assets however you want. Now let me share another cool thing. For example, these couple of shots are repetitive here, and doesn't really add much value. Instead of regenerating the entire sequence, I can just remove these clips easily. The timeline updates instantly, and the story still flows naturally. This is useful when you're trying to keep longer videos tight and focused. Now another cool thing, you can extend your video and add more shots. So for my story, I want to add one more shot at the end. So I'll click on this plus button. On the left, I upload the boy as asset and add the prompt. In the prompt, I mention that he is kneeling surrounded with treasure and finds the diamond, and add a short dialogue as well. And generate the video. And here's the clip. It looks cool, just like I wanted. Now, once you switch to the Final Cut view, you can see the entire timeline laid out in front of you. At this stage, it works like a familiar editing environment. You can trim clips, remove sections that don't add much to the story, and fine-tune the pacing so the film flows better from scene to scene. You can also add background music here, making sure it matches the mood of the story without overpowering the visuals. Once everything feels right, you simply head to Export and download the final video. And that's exactly how I create full 3D animated films using AI with Movieflow. The biggest difference for me is that I'm not generating blindly. I can preview the entire script, review the storyboard, and adjust characters, scenes, and even dialogue before the final video is locked in. That preview first workflow is available free, and it makes a huge difference when you're working on longer films and don't want surprises at the end. If you want to try this process yourself, I've added the Movieflow link in the description. You can take your own images, your own ideas, and build complete animated stories the same way. Here's the full video I generated.
I have to follow it! I have to keep going! It's close! I feel it! Behold the wonder, the eternal light of the crystal cavern.